What's up? We got a new box in today. I'm pretty excited about it. Home Depot box. I got a couple boxes coming tomorrow, and we're just going to share them with you guys because they're going to directly affect the channel and things that we do here in the upcoming months. So, I'm going to do a little unboxing. I'm pretty excited about this. They're just tools. If you've seen the tools I have otherwise, the vacuum, there's some other tools in here. You can probably guess right now what kind of tools they're going to be. So I'm going to unbox these real quick. They might even match my toolbox. I don't know. We're going to unbox them. We're going to start taking them out and see what I got. Home Depot has these cool sales all the time, so I try to get in on them if I can. So this time I did. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, guys. So got my skiff knife here. I don't know if you guys watch Demolition Ranch or Lunkers TV, but these knives are they're pretty nice. So I picked that up. It's good for tape. So a couple of these I wanted for quite a while, so I'm pretty excited. First thing I see in here is the Milwaukee angle grinder cordless. It's the M18, the 18 volt. The second thing I see is the Sawzall. Again, 18 volt. Neither one of these are fuel with the brushless. I probably won't use them enough, so I didn't really care about that. Let's free up some counter space. These are, however, the fuel line. So they're brushless. Has an impact in the hammer drill. Let's start taking these out and take a look. It's a pretty nice little container for them. I probably will never use it, but look at that. So these do come with the extended batteries. These are I don't know much about them to be honest, but the 5.0s versus I think I had 4.0 on my vacuum, and they come not charged at all. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So I got 2 batteries on these, and then I got the 4 tools themselves. So we'll have those to add to the collection. So I came from Craftsman Tools. So going to Milwaukee, these are the build quality is pretty crazily improved, I guess you could say. So I'm pretty excited to use them. I know they have a lot more power, and they are sometimes better to use depending on the project that you're working on. So I have those. I don't know how much I'll use the handle, if ever, but we'll keep it. Get rid of this because it's just in the way. Now, I was going to buy these separate and then get batteries, which would have been about, I think, $300, but I ended up getting the fuel kit, which was $400, and then it came with 2 free tools. So I got all of these for about, I don't know, $440 or so after tax. So I got everything I wanted and some for a little bit more. I've needed a good Sawzall. I have this one, which is cool for little stuff, but once you get to the bigger stuff, it struggles a little bit. It doesn't have the power or the stroke to it to really cut quickly. So just opening this up here. Curious how this is going to feel being their lower line. I will say right away, this actually feels pretty nice. It's not a fuel, like I said, so it's not brushless. It is a brushed motor, but that feels pretty nice. It's a pretty nice and heavy Sawzall here. And it has a little release here for the blade, so I'd say that's pretty nice right off the bat. Nothing else in there but paperwork. And last but not least, kind of need a Sawzall for various things here and there, but I really wanted an angle grinder like this because I want to cut the floors out of the Rambler and kind of learn how to fix them up on my own. So we'll be getting a welder here shortly as well. And yeah, we're gonna take a stab at that. The Rambler's really been my opportunity to kind of learn things in general about cars. So I thought about having somebody do the floors for me and various other things. And I think I'm just gonna take a crack at it. If it doesn't go well, then I'll take it somewhere, have it done right by somebody knows what they're doing. So again, this one is not a fuel toy or tool or toy. You can consider it a toy. But again, it feels pretty nice in the hand. It's a pretty solid piece here. All right, so here's my mess. But here they are again. Here's that skiff knife by Off the Ranch Demolition Ranch. It's a really nice blade. I kind of like it. You guys should check them out. And they may still have their sale going on. I think I got this for like $30. Really good blade for that price. So I'm gonna put all this stuff together. We're gonna organize stuff, and then I will see you guys actually tomorrow when I get my other 2 boxes. And I have both boxes actually coming for the Rambler for things that we're gonna be doing here soon. All right, so we're actually a couple days later here. I did get my new package, and I opened it up right away because it had been bouncing around with UPS, and I just wanted to make sure there were no issues. So I won't be unboxing it for you guys, but I will be showing you guys what we got here. So if we flip around here, one of these is new. And it's not that one. Here's a factory Gen 1 AMC 287 or 327 intake manifold. You can see it's a 2-barrel. I do have a 4-barrel on my car. The 4 barrels are a little bit harder to find, but the core intake is the same minus supporting for the barrel or for the carb. So overall, they're pretty similar. So you guys will see in a future video a comparison of the 2 of these, but this is a Edelbrock Torquer, as you can see there. This is off a Gen 2 and Gen 3 engine. Definitely a big difference here, but these are being adapted by some people, not many, but some people to put them on their Gen 1 engines. So I'm not going to go too in depth on this one because we are going to make another video on this, but just wanted to show you guys what I had coming in, things that we'll be using on the channel for new projects here soon. So yeah, that's kind of it, guys. I will have a new video here soon comparing these intakes and comparing the ports and stuff, just to get an idea of the work that we have cut out for ourselves. And then I'll show you guys kind of where I have to cut and everything to make this thing fit. But it has been done before, so we're going to do it again. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for it. It should give us some good bottom end torque, and these actually flow pretty well up into the 5,000 RPM range, which is more than we'll use, but then we'll have some of that better flowing up top. So that's that, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, we'll have another video on the intakes here soon and some other stuff that I have coming in the mail that didn't make it for this one. Thanks, guys.